Today I'm going to make very special dish, lamb kebabs for festive occasions and for big number of people. Let's start. To make the lamb kebabs, we need lamb mince, then diced onion, then a good pinch of salt, and olive oil inside the mix to make it less sticky. That's a very good trick to remember. I've got parsley and mint chopped as well. Crushing the garlic into the meat. I'm using garlic crusher only because I want it to be very, very tiny pieces of garlic. And now last, all the beautiful flavors that goes into the lamb kebabs, which is the Moroccan spice mix. And now it's just a matter of getting in and mixing everything together to combine really, really well. And now the nice part of it, you have to put it all on big, big metal skewers. And now to make the green tahini, which is not only healthy, it looks really lovely and fresh, I'm going to add the mint, parsley and coriander, 3 sorts of herbs with 1 cup of yogurt, 2 cloves of garlic, some salt, and then last but very important part of it is the tahini, tahina. It's about 1 cup of tahina. Put the lid on, and it's just a case of whizzing. Lovely. And this is the consistency you want. You want it quite runny. And now I'm going to cook the lamb kebabs in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes until they fully cooked. Now I need to oil. Oh, that's the fun bit. And now place your vegetables on top of the grill. Stove-top grill is one of my favorites. Now it will take a while. You want to give it a nice color. See all these marks on your tomato? That's what you want to get. And that you can get only when your griller is really, really hot. And now for the finished touch, I'm using Middle East very thick pita bread, which will hold the whole dish together. Just give it a little bit of warming up. Spread your green tahini on top. Then your vegetables will go on top of your pita bread. Place your lamb kebabs on top. All the flavors will go down to the pita bread, and I think we are ready to eat. Here we have a crowd pleaser, lamb kebabs on a pita bread with vegetables, with tahini. All you need to do is just take it off your skewers and eat and enjoy.